Ice cube break from guarding. Can I have a break? Can I have a break, Cena? Finish guarding, everyone? Don't let anyone in to get your ice block. Can you pick it up? Because you're such a big, bad guard dog. You huff and puff, and I'll blow everyone down with my huff and puff. Yeah. But no, we won't let anyone come in. Luckily those fences are nice and high.
I haven't seen her, I'm an idiot.
You can have an ice block, Sasha, but you know what? I gave you one.
You don't like ice blocks?
Only yesterday to try it for the 15th, 100th, millionth time with you, and you just looked at it.
You don't like ice blocks, do you?
Smelt it and walked away from it. Oh, look at me, I didn't get anything.
I wouldn't melt in my mouth, thanks, Ashley.
Why don't you go and steal the one off the Doberman? Go on.
No.
Go and get Cena.
No, you can't.
Oh, look what she's getting.
Oh, smell my tummy.
What do you want?
Oh, yuck. I just got yuck.
You got Dobies.
Oh, look, Sasha copped it all. It's all dirt.
Yeah, it's Dobies.
Oh, that's disgusting.
You got Dobies, that's why I stepped back, because I knew what was coming.
Saliva. Mmm, tasty.
Cena? Who's that? Who's that?
Don't encourage her.
Watch him.
Don't encourage her.
Okay. Good girl.
Enough of the flies, please. Shut
Cena, come. On your bed. Bed. Sasha. Good girl. Sit down.
Good girls.
Except for Sasha. Oh, the oldest bitch. I'll do it when I want to do it. Look at it.
Strain up the